over a few logistics here first, and then we'll have a chance to grab any last final minutes gear items. We'll head down mostly the beach and take a break and talk about a few things.
There was a heron over there.
I like a rake rather than a shovel, and I like to kind of be ginger, so I'll just work it in fairly deep and just pull over and look. So here's some varnish clams. These are edible, and as long as they're 1.5 inches long, you can keep them. However, they don't form as tight of a seal, and so I like to let them soak a day in salt water.
We were in this little pit, like somewhere over there, and to the left, my buddy had found a few, and I was just.
We're from North Carolina originally, though, and I grew up kind of fishing on the coast a little bit, so it's nice to get out on the water again, honestly.
That's pretty heavy.
That's big. That's like where's two small ones right there.
These look good. Nice. Tell me when you go to get oysters and I'll come with you.
Oh, look at this one.
Oh, that's
a big one.
All right.
that might be the MVP.
And this is what she found.
Longer shell on the bottom. I'm gonna work my knife right into that hinge there, and there's gonna be a certain angle. I'm gonna kind of wiggle it up and down, left, right. I'm not gonna twist it at this point. I'm just gonna work it around a little bit until it finds that angle. That already popped right there, but once it goes in, then I just twist it 90 degrees. There's a muscle about 2/3 the way up that holds the two shells together. I want to reach up and slice that off as close to the top shell as possible, leaving that muscle as part of the meat of the oyster. I take my time, just feel my way up there and slice that off. Now the muscle is still attached to the bottom shell right there. I want to get in there and do a nice clean cut right along that shell, carve it off that shell. So double check there's nothing there. Those are good.
So we have the ponzu, the lemon juice. These are pickled shallots we did, which are kind of nice. The ponzu I think pairs really well with the green onions. Just be a little aware there could be a couple feathers from shell. There could be a pearl inside, so they call them shooters, but you know, shoot lightly. Shoot with care.
All right.
Whoa.
Easy.
Look at that.
Nice.
There,
Okay.
now twist 90 degrees. There. Well, you might rip a little muscle off if you force it.
Oh, there's like the tiniest little.
There it is. Yep. Good.
Wow.
Push down on the shell. Yeah, even closer to the shell. Closer. Yeah, there. So you got all that meaty muscle
Oh,
off.
nice.
Now it's ready to eat.
That's a solid oyster.
You want one more pepper tail?
Yeah, there's a couple too.
To you. All right, guys, round two. We have an arugula spinach salad with the red wine vinaigrette. It's a garlic vinaigrette. Some of Stacy's awesome homemade bread. Some fried oysters. They'll be nice with this remoulade sauce. It's also good to go along with the hush puppies we have over here. We also took some of the stinging nettles. We took the tips and just made tempura out of them. So yeah, enjoy your salad course with a few fried oysters.